So, before I introduce myself, I want you to think about this. You are in charge of a massive digital world. It holds PRI, PII, and all sorts of sensitive data for millions and billions of users. Every day, hackers, attackers, cybercriminals, they are trying to breach your defenses. You have put your best efforts, deployed top notch red team and blue team strategies to test and secure your defenses. You are still under constant threat of cyber attacks and data breaches. The stakes couldn't be higher, and the threat is ever present. Now, imagine a technology that not only makes your data virtually impenetrable, but also ensures complete transparency and trust in every single digital transaction. Every single digital transaction is tamper proof, unchangeable, and your data is protected by an unbreakable chain. Sounds like a game changer, right? This is the power of AI and blockchain working together. With this, we are not just reacting to threats but also anticipating them and preventing them. So, today we are not just talking about cloud security, we are redefining it. Greetings, everyone. I am Sayali Paseband. I'm advisor of cybersecurity engineering at Verisk Analytics, and I have over 12 years of experience in cybersecurity and cloud space and over 7 academic degrees in tech. Moving on, here are a few key points that I'm going to talk about today, not spending too much time on the agenda. Let's see why there is a dire need of cloud security innovation today. So, today, in a modern digital landscape, cloud or cloud computing, to be specific, is a fundamental component of conducting businesses. I won't be wrong if I say cloud computing has become a backbone of modern business operations, supporting everything from data storage to complex transactions. So, according to FlexEra's 2024 report, over 90% of enterprises use cloud services today. So either they are in cloud completely, part of it is in cloud, rest of them are kind of moving to cloud. Everybody is in cloud today. So as the adoption of cloud services is on the rise, making sure that the security of data and transactions has become even more critical. There are now more serious security challenges that we must address. Gartner reported in 2024 that 74% of businesses were deeply concerned about cloud security for not taking enough measures towards it. Cyber attacks and data breaches are increasingly common these days. IBM's 2024 report highlighted that average cost of a single data breach has reached $4.24 million. So, what do we need? We need an innovative solution. To counter these threats, innovative solutions are essential. Blockchain technology, which was initially developed for cryptocurrencies, has immense potential to provide robust security solutions. The blockchain market is projected to grow from $4.9 billion in 2021 to $67.4 billion by 2026, indicating its increasing importance and adoption in various fields. But has it been utilized for security yet? Not so much. Can it be utilized for security? Yes, it should be leveraged for security, and let's see how. So before we move on, let's look at some limitations of a traditional security systems. So traditional security systems being reliable on centralized control, this creates a single point of failure, which means that if a central system is compromised, it can take down your entire network, exposing your sensitive data, exposing your critical infrastructure. So this is a major vulnerability. Next is scalability. So, as companies expand, their security needs become more complex, and traditional security struggles to adapt to this. There is certain rigidity, which means that adding new users, new devices, or even new services can result in security gaps that attackers can exploit. So, to address this, our modern security solutions need to be flexible and capable of scaling seamlessly. Another major drawback of a traditional security is it tends to be reactive. In most cases, an action is only taken after an incident has occurred, and by then, the damage may have already been done. So instead of staying ahead of threats, we are just playing catch up. So modern security demands a proactive approach, the one that is resilient, scalable, and can anticipate and respond to threats even before they occur. So this shift is essential for all of us. So, what is this modern innovative security solution that I have been talking about? This is the power duo, the blockchain plus AI. So, blockchain is a decentralized, tamper proof digital ledger that kind of records transactions across multiple computers or multiple nodes across the world. So, it's decentralized. It's immutable. Once the record is added, it's added forever. So immutability, and all the participants agree that record is valid before it's added. So there's transparency and trust in every single transaction. So these are the core features of blockchain that are extremely important for security. And I don't really need to mention how AI can identify, learn, and adapt from security patterns, and how it can be the brain of any system, because there's AI everywhere today. I'm sure everyone is aware of how it can be the brain of any system. But given its core features of predictiveness, automation, and responding to threats in seconds, AI, along with blockchain, can create a powerful synergy. Blockchain offers data integrity, while AI gives you intelligent analysis and proactive threat detection. Blockchain offers immutable records, and AI can read these immutable logs in real time to detect and prevent security breaches. So, together, this combination can create a security framework that's not only proactive but also resilient. Looking at some of the use cases, so have you ever faced a challenge of securing your sensitive data in cloud against the cyber attacks? Everyday story for most of us, right? So let's see how we can solve this using blockchain and AI. Let's look at blockchain for data encryption first. So blockchain leverages advanced cryptographic techniques or hashes to encrypt the sensitive data, ensuring that only authorized users can access it. It also provides an immutable ledger to store both encrypted data as well as the access logs. So, this makes the unauthorized alterations almost next to impossible. Blockchain also enables decentralized key management, which secures your encryption keys and ensures that only authenticated users can have access to them. Next, we incorporate AI for real-time anomaly detection. So AI employs machine learning algorithms to kind of analyze the user behavior. This way, it can quickly identify any kind of deviation from normal behavior. So by integrating threat intelligence feeds, AI can continuously like learn and adapt to new threats. So it enhances your organization's security posture even more. So whenever any kind of suspicious activity is detected, AI can trigger predefined security rules and ensure rapid response to any potential threat. So this integrated approach of blockchain and AI together can provide us with enhanced data integrity. So blockchain's immutable design, and we can achieve 99.9% assurance against unauthorized data alterations. Then we have another benefit of proactive threat detection. So AI can reduce unauthorized access attempts by up to 75%, allowing for faster identification and remediation for threats. And then there is continuous monitoring and rapid response. So automated alerts and security responses can lead up to 40% faster incident response time, enabling security teams to act very quickly. Moving on to our next use case. Have you ever faced a challenge of securely managing identities without relying on a central authority? Identity management is a big challenge and a big priority for most of us, right? So, blockchain and AI together can create a powerful solution for identity management as well. So, traditional identity management relies on a central authority. This can be your corporate database, this can be your identity provider like Okta, so this comes with a significant risk as there's a single point of failure. So hackers can target these centralized systems because they store vast amount of sensitive data, and also there's like limited user control over this. Users are entirely dependent on this central authority, and this reduces like transparency and flexibility for the users. So in such cases, to address these challenges, blockchain offers decentralized identifiers or DIDs. So it is basically a system where users manage their identities and control access to their data without relying on a central authority. This approach leverages blockchain technology to create like more secure and user-centric identity management systems, so users have better control over their personal information and consent for its use. Users can decide what data do they want to share, with whom they want to share, and for how long they want to share. So by eliminating the centralized databases, blockchain reduces the risk of identity theft and data breaches. Each user's identity is kind of cryptographically secured, making it more harder for unauthorized parties, for attackers to access it and to manipulate it. Now, to strengthen this process, AI can add biometric authentication. This can be facial recognition, fingerprints. So this can verify the identities in real time, which means that only the right person gets access, providing the layer of security that's very hard to bypass. So by combining blockchain and AI, we can actually enjoy foolproof access control. We don't have to worry about unauthorized users slipping through, and it also brings peace of mind knowing that security system is both decentralized and constantly being monitored for suspicious behavior. Moving on, have you ever faced a challenge in accurately detecting security breaches due to logging systems being vulnerable to tampering? So, blockchain and AI is the solution to insider threats and data exfiltration as well. How does it exactly do that? Let's start with immutable logging through blockchain. Blockchain provides tamper-proof records, which ensures that logs cannot be altered or deleted. This creates a reliable audit trail essential for security investigations. Moreover, by utilizing decentralized control, we significantly reduce the risk of a single point of failure, making it much harder for insiders to manipulate the logging systems. Now let's explore how does AI can enhance the threat detection. So AI acts like a detective with real-time anomaly detection. It quickly analyzes the data to identify unusual patterns, and this rapid identification can drastically reduce the impact of potential breaches. Also, AI employs behavioral analysis to learn from normal user behavior. So it learns, adapts, and very quickly flags any kind of deviation. So this proactive approach enables security teams to respond to threats even before they become bigger or escalate. So combining blockchain and AI creates an integrated, wholesome approach. And this integration allows for automated responses to detect anomalies, such as it can trigger alerts or it can restrict access. It also provides comprehensive visibility. So this enables a security team to monitor user actions and respond effectively to emerging threats very early. So all this together results into trust and accountability. Since there are immutable records, insiders do not really engage in any malicious activity, as there is increased accountability that comes with traceable action. So this transparency fosters trust among stakeholders and enhances the overall confidence in security infrastructure. It also results in reduction in time taken to identify the breaches, as well as reduction in compliance related costs as well. So it's a win-win situation. Moving on to our next use case. So have you ever faced a challenge in quickly addressing suspicious activity in your cloud, which resulted in a bigger security vulnerability? The solution to this challenge is smart contract. Now, smart contract is a very interesting feature of blockchain. These are self-executing contracts where the terms of agreements are directly written into the code, and they automatically execute actions when predefined conditions are met. So this eliminates the need for intermediaries and reduces potential for human error as well. So once AI detects a threat, the predefined security rules within smart contracts are automatically triggered, and this could mean revoking access, quarantining systems, or even locking down certain areas of network without any manual intervention. So this kind of automation eliminates the delays that can occur when human beings or security teams need to access and act on certain situation. So that's how we get instantaneous response if we leverage these technologies. Next, AI operates 24/7, meaning it constantly analyzes network activities in real time, and this ensures that suspicious behavior is detected the moment it happens. The speed and accuracy of AI in finding unusual patterns or threats does surpass human capabilities. Uh, so, a major advantage of this automated system is the removal of human error and human delays. And finally, the system sends real time alerts to security teams, keeping them informed of the actions that are being taken. This provides transparency, allowing the teams to see exactly what's happening and to take further action if it's needed. The combination of automated action and a real-time visibility ensures that nothing kind of slips through the cracks and we have robust security posture. Moving on, let's look at some of the tangible, measurable impact that blockchain and AI have on reducing security incidents. So after implementing blockchain and AI, there could be significant decrease in security incidents as shown here in the first graph. With blockchain's immutable logs, data cannot be altered or tampered. So this ensures a reliable and secure audit trail, and at the same time, AI's real-time anomaly detection catches potential threats very early. So studies have shown that number of insider threats and data breaches can be reduced up to 40% when both these technologies are in play together. Now let's focus on response time, the second graph here. This is critical in preventing the damage from security breaches. So it's very important to respond to breaches in time. So this AI-based systems are able to detect the threats in real time and within a few hours or even minutes. So this dramatically reduces the time to respond, often bringing down the response time by 90%. So the combination of blockchain's unchangeable logs, immutable logs, and AI's quick detection means that your organization can prevent the incident even before you detect it. Although there are great benefits of blockchain, there are some inherent challenges related to it. So blockchain networks face inherent scalability limitation due to their design principles, which prioritize security and decentralization. So as the number of transactions and participants in the network grows, the traditional blockchain architecture, they struggle to kind of maintain the performance. So uh, there are efforts like solutions like sharding and layer 2 protocols to enhance the scalability, and these efforts aim to enhance the scalability without compromising the fundamental principles of blockchain, that are security and decentralization. So this can pave the way for broader adoption and use cases. Another challenge is achieving the regulatory compliance, especially in highly regulated industries like finance and healthcare. Although blockchain offers inherent security benefits, ensuring compliance with legal requirements is a big challenge in this field. To navigate this complex landscape, organizations are exploring the use of private blockchains. There's also emergence of regulatory technology or RegTech, which provides tool and framework which help organizations to address the compliance issues within the blockchain ecosystems. Another challenge is integrating blockchain in your existing cloud infrastructure. It's a multifaceted, cumbersome process that involves overcoming technical, operational, and regulatory challenges. So this is another issue. So uh, for like seamless interoperability, seamless integration is essential for successful adoption, and it's not kind of seamless right now. But looking ahead, the future of blockchain development holds various opportunities for innovation and advancement. And there is adoption of zero knowledge proofs, which enable verifiable transaction without revealing sensitive data. And there are potential breakthroughs in areas such as quantum resistant blockchains, which aim to protect against quantum computing threats. So there are certain advancement and developments which could facilitate seamless communication between different blockchain networks, representing exciting avenues for future development in the blockchain space. So by embracing these innovations, organizations can stay at the forefront of blockchain technology and leverage its transformative potential to drive growth, efficiency, and security in cloud environment. In conclusion, blockchain technology offers a transformative potential for cloud security by introducing transparency and immutability. However, several challenges must be addressed to fully leverage blockchain. These include, like we have seen earlier, scalability, interoperability, regulatory issues. But looking ahead, advancements such as Ethereum 2.0, Layer 2 solutions like rollups can enhance scalability without compromising security. Moreover, there are platforms like blockchain as a service from Azure and IBM are making it easier and more cost effective for organizations to adopt blockchain. But in conclusion, we need strategic adoption. What does that mean? To effectively enhance cloud security, organizations need to strategically assess how blockchain fits into their specific use case, and this involves like careful consideration of the unique security needs and potential benefits that blockchain can offer in their specific cloud environment. And thank you for listening to my presentation.